Out here with my 2021 Street Bob. We're doing a review of the 30-liter stealth bags by Viking. These stealth bags, they're truly built for the bike. As you can tell in the back, I'm still running my stock tail light, but it has these cutouts that just allows it to fit perfectly on both sides. I'm also still running my stock exhaust. These bags have a hard, rigid structure, unlike other saddlebags that I've had in the past where the leather was soft and they began to sag. I mean, I've had these on for a good week, been using them every day. These things are well built. Has these outer pockets, just gives you the ability to whatever you may need on a quick access. You don't want to unlock it, you don't want to unzip everything. You can very easily fit a water bottle, your paperwork, a rag, a second pair of gloves. Oftentimes I carry a bandana. If the wind kicks up, I want to just have access to it in a heartbeat. It has the key lock on top. Once that's open, you have access to 2 zippers. You can fully open. Once it's fully open, you have 2 internal straps that prevent it from opening too far or too much. These are both adjustable, so if you wanted to stop here, just make those adjustments. If for whatever reason you need to open it all the way, you can go ahead and unclip it and then drop it down completely. As you can see, I have a 12-pack case of beer. I think everyone kind of knows the basic dimensions of that, so I think that's a good representation of how much space is truly in here. On top of this, and in front of this and behind this, there's still a ton of space. So let's go ahead and just remove that real quick. As you can see inside, you can see this Velcro cover. It's covering the mechanism, which is for the mount release. It has a lock on top of it. Once that lock is unlocked, you can see it maneuvering right here. Once that's fully open, you can lift up, and that's it. This is able to be removed. So we're going to go ahead and just grab the top of the bag. The whole bag just needs to lift up probably about 1/2 inch, and then it's going to slide off the brackets, and that's it. That's how quick it is to remove the bags from the bike. These mounts, once the bag is removed, it does have an internal handle, just allowing you to grab it. I could honestly see using this as luggage for the weekend, get away, a couple of changes of clothes, having the ability to remove it, lock it, secure it, take it with you. You don't have to take both. If you only need one, take it into your hotel, your office. Use it as a lunch pail if you truly need it to. Overall, with these bags being a quick 30-minute install, I think it's a great addition for the bike, giving me that extra storage space, giving me the ability to lock things, secure it onto the bike. With these internal pockets, I can see this very easily being used for storage for tools. I throw an air pressure gauge in there just to kind of have on hand. Tools mostly, and then it has the ability to be removed. So if you have to run these tools to another bike or someone down the road, you can roll it out, hand it to them, put it back when you're done.